buggy in the back, that greenish one, you can't go past that point, ma'am.
Okay. Oh, I'm sorry.
That's all right. That, well, you can, the one in the corner, that one board that's kind of up a little, if you pull it up further, it's a false bottom and they would hide people in there.
This green one.
Mm-hmm.
And that was the original?